Good day. This is my fourth quarter performance test. Problem 1. A 3-point aim ladder leans against a wall and makes an angle with the wall of 30 degrees. What is the height above the ground where the ladder makes contact with the wall? Solution. Since the angle at the wall and we have a 90-degree triangle, then the other angle should be 60 degrees. We can solve this by using trigonometric functions, the SOHCAHTOA. We can use sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Now we plug in the values, so that give us sine times 60 equal 8 divided by 3. We cross multiply, that gives us 3 sine times 60 equals 8. So 8 equals 2.59 meters, or 8 equals 2.6 meters. Problem 2. A person stands at a window on the 9th floor, 40 meters above the ground. Angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 25 degrees. Angle of depression to the base of the tower is 36 degrees. Find the height of the tower and the distance from the building to the tower. Solution. First, we draw the building and tower. Mark the person at 40 meters high. Draw a horizontal line from the person to the tower. Above it is 25 degrees. Below it is 36 degrees. Let the horizontal distance be D. Next, we find the distance using the angle of depression. For the depression angle, the angle below the horizontal equals the angle above the horizontal inside the triangles. Using trigonometric function, we can use 2, so that gives us tan times 36 equals 40 over D. We cross multiply, we get D equals 40 divided by tan times 36. So the distance is 55.06 meters, or 55.1 meters. Now we find the other height of the tower using the angle of elevation. We have the distance between the tower and the building. Therefore, we can now compute for y, that gives us tan times 25 equals y over 55.1. We cross multiply, we get 55.1 tan times 25 equals y. Solving for it, we get y equals 25.7 meters. Now we can find the total height of the tower. It equals 40 plus 25.7. It equals 65.7 meters is the total height of the tower. That's the solution for both problems. Thank you.